You will never get where you want to go in life if you don't just do the damn thing. Like, if you don't just go out and try to experience something, you will never get where you want to go. Like, I would have never seen this if I never just decided to take an impulsive trip to Atlanta. Like, my goal is to experience as much life as possible before I take my last breath here, and to impact as many lives as possible in a positive way before I take my last breath here on earth, bro. Like, I'd be damned if I didn't do everything in my power to make it. I'd be damned if I didn't do everything in my power to experience the life that God has given me. Like, every single day is a blessing. And for you to just want to stay inside of a box is crazy. You have to, like, let yourself outside of the box. Let yourself come experience some life. Because the thing that I'm feeling right now is insane. Like, I don't even know how to explain what I'm feeling. Like, when you do something for the first time, when you try something out for the first time, when you go a place for the very first time, there's that, like, I don't even know if inertia is the right word, but there's that feeling that you just feel that's like, like that sense of life, that sense of fresh breath of fresh air. It's like a dopamine hit that I can't get from my phone. I can look at the same exact stock video on YouTube, on any stock video site, but I can't get the same feeling that I'm getting right now. Like, simply because I decided to take a flight, take a trip, to go somewhere and experience a portion of life that I would not have experienced before. Like, you have to be willing to get outside of the box. You have to be willing to try something new. You have to be willing to allow yourself, right, to go against all of the naysayers. They're not gonna believe in you. They're not gonna tell you that it's okay to go places. They're gonna tell you it's not safe. They're gonna tell you that, oh, you sure you wanna travel? Or, oh, you wasting money. An experience is not a waste of money. If you're gonna go somewhere and you're gonna experience something, I do not believe that that's a waste of money, because an experience is priceless. An experience, you don't know what you may experience when taking a trip for an experience. We took this trip for the experience, and I've met a few artists, you know, both musical artists and painters. Like, I've met people like photographers, videographers that I would not have met, models that I would not have met had I not taken this trip. And you have to be willing to take that leap of faith into yourself to get to that next level, bro. Because this is insane. Like, I want everyone to feel the feeling that I'm feeling right now. I want everyone to feel this feeling that I'm feeling right now. Like, it's just like, it's taken over me, bro. And it just feels so amazing. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. Do you see this building behind me? Like, there's a lot of wind blowing, so if the mics mess up, I'm sorry, but you guys, like, this is amazing. I'm filming on the A7R5 too, if you guys are wondering. But, like, just, this is amazing. Do you guys not see where we're at right now? I can't make this up, you guys. Like, I cannot make this up. Like, what is this behind me? Let's go over here and look at, bro. Like, I cannot make this up, bro. Like, I feel so empowered here. I feel free when I travel. I feel like I'm doing it for purpose. I feel like I'm, like, I don't know, like, I don't want to say worthy, but I just feel like I have purpose. When I travel and I go places, I feel like I'm allowing myself to seep a little bit of a reward for the things that I've been doing. Even though I travel for work and I'm traveling for business, you know, take a day out to just go somewhere and breathe. I'm out here doing literally nothing but breathing. And it just feels so good to just soak in where I'm at right now currently, and kind of look back at all the things that I've done, I've been able to accomplish, and just be grateful that I'm even here right now. Be grateful that I'm still above ground. Be grateful that I still have another chance to do better. Be grateful that I still am able to get to that next level that I need to get to become the person that I need to become. Because in order for me to become that six-figure earner, that photographer, that videographer, that high income, like that high influencer, that, you know what I'm saying, that person that everybody looks to for help and for guidance, to be able to become that person, I have to go through the things now. I have to go through those things now. I have to experience things now in order to become that person. I cannot become that person if I'm constantly allowing others and their opinions to shape my life. I can't become that person if I'm constantly allowing others to shape my life. Their opinions should have no say over my life. And it's just as simple as that. Like, you guys have to get out of your own head, get out of your own box, and stop allowing people to put you in a box. Because if you consistently allow people to put you in a box, you will never feel like you can get out of that box. And majority of the damn time, it's a box that you created for your damn self. Majority of the time, we put ourselves in a box. Majority of the time, it's not society. Majority of the time, it's us and our past selves that put us in a box that don't allow us to get to that next level. And you'll never get to that next level if you don't take yourself out of the goddamn box. So get out of the box, okay? Go experience some life and conquer your fucking future, bro. Stop giving up on yourself, man. You got this shit, bro. Stop giving up on yourself, please. You got this, okay? Talk to yourself, bro. It's okay. Do some affirmations. I've been doing this every single day. When I wake up in the morning, I write 5 things. I am a 6-figure earner. I am the best photographer in the world. I am the best storyteller ever. I am a great this. I am a great that. And at nighttime, right? I will. What will you do? What are your goals? What are the things that you will accomplish? Write these daily, bro, and just try to reformat your brain. Relearn the things that you learned in your past, okay? Try to reteach yourself these new things that you need to know in order for you to get to that next level and become that next person. What are the things that next person that you want to be, they're doing? What are the traits that they have? What are the things that they're doing that you're not currently doing that you could be doing to get you to that next level that they're at? That's all I'm saying. That's it. That's all. Real, raw, unfiltered. Until next time. Taxi.
Oh, there's the cookies. Be right back.
I don't need it. I don't need it. I definitely don't need it.
Bikes.